Father's Day marked the official beginning of the dream for two fathers to start a business that aims to kindle the spark of invention inside of kids and adults too. The Creation Station, located on Park Drive in Westford, opened to the public recently, serving as the headquarters for Westford Academy's first robotics team, the StormGears. It's the latest example in the trend of makerspaces, or community center-like workshops that allow members of the public to use small-scale manufacturing equipment for engineering projects. The project was the idea of Nandu Vilal and Christopher Nichols, two fathers of StormGear members. They quickly found out they did not have enough space in their homes for their children to create these complicated robotic projects. In the fall, the Creation Station was born as a place to provide that space. But there was an expectation that the Creation Station would also eventually serve as a business for people looking to be amateur engineers. Nichols' hope is the first team and the for-profit nature of the Creation Station can be symbiotic.
One of the visions of the space was to create a space that could host the robotics teams, which are all run on a non-profit basis. The commercial side of it allows us to provide a great facility for them. You know, we had a couple of hundred square feet in my family room, and now we have over 4,200 square feet here where the robot teams can really spread out. The commercial venture allows us to, provide some foundational classes, which are very hard to teach during the robot seasons because the time is so tight. And we also wanted to open it up to people beyond just those who are interested in participating in the robot teams. Technology and STEM or STEAM education is such a broad path that involves everything from biology to chemistry to engineering to creative outlets that merge some of those technologies. Wearable technology is very big, and that's a great combination of both art and technology. And to provide it in a commercial environment allows us to maintain, to acquire higher quality equipment than you'll find in some of the other nonprofit maker spaces. It allows us to maintain the equipment better. And it allows us to explore higher end equipment, which is tends to get fairly expensive, especially when you're talking about makerspace equipment. We'd love to have you all come down. We sometimes have trouble getting kids in the door. We always have trouble getting kids out of the door. Once you're here, you don't want to leave, and parents have just as much fun as the kids do.
You can get more information on the Creation Station at creationstationma.com. For the Westford Cat, I'm Nick Woodbury.